Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to change default video player in Windows 11. So firstly click on settings, apps, then click on default apps. Here you can search, enter a file type or link type like MP4. Select it and click on this setting. Here you can select your desired media player like VLC or Windows, and also you can look for an app in the Microsoft Store. So for example, VLC, select it, then click on OK. So similarly, you can search video file type and you can select your desired and default application. So this is the way guys, you can change default video player in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video helpful for you or not.